What's up, guys? It is your girl Goldilocks here, and we are back for another edition of our struggle tree series. Obviously, this tree is our pink tree, which we love so much. So girly, so cute, and fabulous. So if you guys haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get all kinds of cool decorating and fun craft ideas. Also, please like the video because, you know, it gives me a nice warm and fuzzy feeling inside, and it's great for the algorithm. And I believe this video is like number 11 of the series. So if you haven't already, please check out the rest of the series. Anyway, these are the supplies we're using on this lovely pink tree. The theme of this tree is going to be gold and white. Gold and white, very pretty tree. We're using some white lights. As you can see, they're already on the tree, so that part is easy. Just stick them on and they are good to go. Second decoration we are using for this lovely tree is white garland. Love this garland because it makes it look like there's snow on the tree. You know how some, artificial trees kind of come with snow and they look really good? This kind of like adds that same effect without having that fake snow on your tree, because sometimes you want it, sometimes you don't, right? So this is a really great way of adding that lovely snow effect on the tree without having the artificial snow on that bad boy. And they used to sell it in cans, I think. I don't know if they do that anymore. They used to sell the artificial snow in cans. Seems like it would be a little toxic, so I don't think they do that anymore, but I'm not completely sure. Anyway, we're just finishing up the garland of this tree. It is absolutely fabulous. If you don't know already, I got all these supplies from the Dollar Tree. So if you guys are interested, please check out that original video. The link is going to be in the description. So if you want to see how affordable these trees are to decorate, please check it out here. I believe this tree probably costs a whole 10 bucks to decorate and make fabulous. So if you're looking for a budget friendly option to help decorate maybe the smaller rooms in your home, these are it. I even got the tree at Dollar Tree, which is awesome. It's not $1 anymore, unfortunately, but you know, it's still pretty affordable for the holiday season. All right, so now that we have the lights on, we have the garland on, we're just putting our lovely golden bulbs on there. Love these bulbs because they're really great at reflecting light. They are super awesome. And if you didn't notice already, the tree actually came with lights, so it was already lit up when we started decorating it. It's cool, it's battery operated, really great again for like the smallest areas because you don't need a cord. However, I am adding the extra lights, or I already have added the extra lights, so if you do that you will need a cord, but you don't have to, not with this tree. But you know, I had to add a little extra razzle dazzle on this bad boy to make it especially special for you guys. So there it is. Like, oh, I love it. So pretty. Love this freaking tree. And to top it off, after we put on our last bulb, is our Merry Christmas hat. Looks so cute. And here's the close-up of this bad boy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this tree, and I will see you guys in the next and last video.